Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Korea. This video I'm going to check whether the Realme 6 phone actually supports the Dolby Atmos or not. So if you're watching first time this channel friends, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also do check the links in description friends for the playlist of smartphones. So you can find plenty of useful videos in the playlist friends. So even if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using, you can check the links in description for the wallpapers. So you can definitely try this kind of wallpaper friends, and even there is a playlist for most of the smartphones, so you can find plenty of useful videos which I did in all the playlist friends. So definitely take a look at that. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphones friends, do message me in the Instagram and follow my page as well. So definitely friends, I'll be replying to you all in the Instagram, because I have a problem with the WhatsApp number, so that's why I'm unable to use the WhatsApp at the moment. So right now I'm in the Australia, and there's a little bit of a problem in using WhatsApp from the Indian number, so that's why I decided to maintain the consistency in the Instagram account, so where I can use the Instagram in multiple phones and I can stay connected with my followers. So definitely friends, follow my Instagram page and you can ask the query you want. And now let's check whether the Realme 6 phone actually do supports the Dolby Atmos or not friends. So because in my previous phones, in the Realme phones, so all the Realme phones are having the Dolby Atmos, like Realme X, X2 or X2 Pro device, so they're having the Dolby Atmos inbuilt. But let's check the Realme 6 phone actually as a Dolby Atmos or not. So you can find in the settings and sound and vibrations. So you need to scroll down to the end. So if there is a Dolby Atmos here, the option will be displaying friends, but there is no Dolby Atmos in the Realme 6 device. Unfortunately, there is no Dolby. So there is a real power sound, so which will get enabled only when you connect the earphones. As you can see friends, at the moment it's got connected. So this is a kind of equalizer friends, but you won't get that kind of good effect if you're using the inbuilt Dolby Atmos sound, so which is present in the Realme X2 Pro or X2 device. As you can see friends, Dolby Atmos. So this is a kind of disadvantage I can say in the Realme 6 device friends. So that's it for this video friends. This is a quick short video to demonstrate that there is no Dolby in the Realme 6 device, and if you're looking for that option you cannot find. So see you in the next video friends. If you have any queries, don't forget to ask me in the Instagram, and also do follow my Instagram profile friends. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.